Alright guys, Carter and Carter here guys. Just got this one in guys, as you could see. It's a Taramps HD3000 and this is a 2-ohm version of this one. Alright guys, so just wanting to see inside view, as you could see right here guys. Good view of this thing. Oh yeah. See guys? Yeah, this MOSFET was roasting. Let's show you what happened here guys. Let's show you what happened. Right, power supply here burnt out. Another burnt out power supply. Look at this guys. The thing bullet, all the chances that it's melted guys. Look at that. That means that this is, oh man, this thing go under a lot of pressure, a lot of stress. And what are these? The 1404, yeah. These are the 1404 guys, as usual. Regular suspect guys. Yep. As you could see, yeah. These are, yeah, they messed up down the line right there. This one crack open, this one crack open, and this one was smoking. Yeah, it was frying, as you can see guys. Yep. So I'm gonna take this apart now. Definitely when it's like this guys, will take it apart. And also we have this IC here. This IC here, it's also, yes, it's burnt. So right, let me take. Right, so this one cannot remove that screw. Let's let my find my screwdriver here. And that's what these 4 back screws guys, and then yeah, that's it. I don't have to remove that. Up here I have only 1 screw, and this one for the RCA input. And this one guys, as I said, I just got this one in, and the person needed it like today. Okay, our show is going to. Going further guys, you have a show like every weekend, or sometime every Thursday night, Friday night, just, you know, different places, you know. But that's how they do it down here. These people party like crazy down here guys. So an amplifier, sure. Yes guys. I'm getting called even late at night guys to do amplifier repair. And I told him, you know, hell no. Alright, so yep. So there's one behind here that I think I'm going to have to remove the fan. Let me see if it's, yes. This one guys, you have to remove the fan. Right, I remove the fan guys, and there's a screw right there. So it's not this one. This is 2. Oh yeah, this goes, this works. You guys can see that, yeah. Damage. You guys can see. Oh yeah. Now you guys can see it burnt. Wow, it was smoking inside. Look at that. And yeah, this is roast. Back view of this. Something was melting here. Alright, so I'm put this other end in. Let's see. guys. Alright guys. So yeah guys, this is the right here. You have the IRF, no IR guys. This is the IR 4427S. R is UCC 27524. Okay guys, yeah, that works too. This is a closer inspection here guys. See, that says 100, that says 1R. So the gate resistors for these are the 1R0, so that's 1 ohms. The gate resistors are 1 ohms guys. The 1 ohm gate resistor for these MOSFET here, for the power supply MOSFET. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and start removing some of these burnt out MOSFET. Let me put this way up. And let me get a little gloves. Right. I normally do that with the little solder. Hold on. Should I start from down here? Oh yeah, this is the power supply, so everything is gonna take off. Forgot it's not the output we have this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah. Normally 8 guys. What power supply MOSFET. One. Right. That goes there. It's only the fresh solder guys. That's a quicker way. Aye. Yes guys, you only do that when you have a lot of solder, like, you know, as you dispose of. Yeah, you want it to come on. Okay, so that would be it. So let me clean this pinhole right here. Clean all the pinholes, guys, so I can when that happens, there's a lot of solder on top of here. Oh, sometimes this one it is. This one. Oh, there's something inside there. The pin broke off in that one, guys. That's why it wasn't. I need this one too. Right. When I feel some, alright, this is the part, guys. I check if we have any burnt out output MOSFET. Let's see. I should have washed the board first, but output seems to be fine. Right, so the output is fine. I'm gonna wash the circuit board, guys, get some parts together, and then I come back with it for you guys. Alright, guys, give me a minute here. Alright, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to see if I find 8 of the same batch of these MOSFETs here. It should be, those are the same. 3, 4, 5, 6. What? That's a 6, 7, 8. Alright. These are the batch I'm going to be using, guys. Right here. Right here, right here, right here. Right. Alright, so first, guys, let me take out this remove this IC right here. That's at 5 volts for the power supply MOSFET, so they can switch on. So yes, guys, this is the one that causes 5 volts to go to the, so part can switch on. And this is my little way of doing this, guys, without any heat gun. Reason why I do like this, guys, is I hate to put a lot of stress on the rest of the component and the board if I don't have to. Like, you know, sometimes when I use the heat gun, you have capacitor going all over the way, circuit and all that stuff, and resistor removing, and you know, wake up a lot of stuff that I don't want to do, you know. So this is my way of doing it. So this one, guys, you could see it was burning. I don't know if you could see it on the top yet. Yeah, this one definitely was burning too. So that's there. And the one that I'm going to be using, guys, this is the 27524A. So that's UCC 27524. All right. So you know, guys, this is when I would normally do something like this. And solder with this, and I hold this the part upside down, and I tin in the legs, guys. I put some solder on the legs, yeah, like that. Yep. Not to hold this too long, guys, because normally, guys, I don't like to make the chip get too hot, because I have stuff a problem already with MOSFET that I, you know, and chip like this that I use, it get too really hot with the heat gun, and I say, you know, throw me off. So from that, I said, all right, let's just find another way of doing these, of installing these. So this is my little way of doing it. I don't know if anybody do it like this, but that's just me. So I get it lined up. I have a solder that I could use, guys. That's really good. Called a solder, liquid solder, guys. Yep, I could use a liquid solder. That's really good in a situation like this. Come on. Hmm. Why the heck this one want to take this long? Ay, 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 ay. Come on. Yeah. Jesus. Come on. Whew. Still wanna give me some trouble. Yeah. All right. Guys. I see what this chick wanna give me some real trouble in the heat. Then we'll try to can't bottom it. Right. That should be in there. Should be you. That should be you. This should be you. These two will lock together. Let me. Yes. Give us a solder bridge here, guys. So yeah. And here, where I could play around a little. And this, guys, if you don't solder this properly in time, you try to switch it amplifier, you will get a little. So like, sip, like it's not switching on. Yeah. So make sure you solder it properly. If anybody ever do that and that happened, that's mean you didn't solder that properly. It won't switch on. Right. So these I put them in. These are normally just do that, bend them a little. Alright, let me see. Because with these guys, I'm not gonna cut anything out of the pins or anything like that. So this is my little way of doing it, guys. And in a sun, I make a little, I would say a little U. As you can see, the way this one is at, like, yeah, you can see from that, this under, yes, or something like that. Try not to let it sit flat to the circuit, because you have a circuit underneath it, so that could cause a problem. Alright, let me just sketch top these right here first before I go any further. So I take it from the top. Yeah. I just catch a leg there. That's why I said tack. Tack in there. Yeah. I just sort of, yeah. So that's 4. Down, 4 more to go. Keep making sure I'm still recording, guys. Right, so everything is lined up, guys, just the right way. Yep. Let me turn this up a little. But there's a fan in the background, guys, and cooling the place like real quick. So let me do this. And I wait a little. Yeah, that's about it. I can begin now. Okay, guys, thing is soldered up top. Put some back here. What I like to do here is just bend these pin down like this. Yeah, middle one. Because sometimes this chase our tendency to burnt off. So when I straighten it, that won't happen. So the middle one, I just bend it, guys. Yep. Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then I solder here. Yep, bend this one a little. And this one also. Also give this one a little bend. Alright, so that's everything looks uniform here. Alright, let's check the input jack, make sure everything is good with the input jack, guys. I always check that. And I was told not to touch these knobs because the technician already set this amplifier up, you know. So if it, that's what the guy told me. So if I'm not gonna turn it up too much, well, maybe yeah, from the phone. I hope the volume is all the way up. I'm not even gonna put my hand, so just there's a lot of dust. Put this screw back there. Yeah. So to me, I don't think there is okay right here. Oh, this is also bad. Wow. So guys, you have this. Let me see here. Don't tell me. Don't make this is bad because oh, man. Right here, I have a 4R7 ohm resistor right here, which is the resistor 50. It looks like so it says resistor 59, guys. Resistor 59. Yeah. Resistor 59 is a 4 or 7 ohms, a 4.7 ohms. It's also burnt out, so let me remove it, guys. Let me wake it up a little with some solder, and then yeah, it comes out. But I did have a camera that zooms, guys. How you could see that it's burnt up. Yeah, it's burnt up, guys. I don't know if you guys could really see it. You can't even make out the number on it properly. So let me check this diode here. So normally, guys, when you have a power supply problem, always check for that one. It normally burns sometimes. I forgot to check it just now. I'm just hoping that this right here, guys, this which is the PA4Q. And PA4Q. I see sometimes that one goes too. So let me see if I get any short on it in any way. Yeah, I think it's okay. I normally, you know, burnt out from the top. You would see a hole inside of it and stuff like that. But in this case, I don't have one. So let's see. Let's see. Give me a minute here, guys. I'm gonna search for a 4.7 ohm resistor. Okay, guys, for 7 ohms, I have one here. 4R7. And that's the resistor, and the circuit board says resistor 59. And the resistor is 4R7 ohms, the code on the resistor. I mean, the resistor value, guys, is 4R7 ohms. Come on. Come on, don't do that. Whew. Mess with me. Now I do it back and forth and I push it out. Nice. What I do, guys, once you solder one end and you solder the other end, I do this real quick, like go back and forth real quick, and then I push the resistor down just to get it seated really, and the circuit real flat, so it, sit on the surface really flat, because it's a surface mount, so it's down to the surface. All right. And when it's in the circuit, guys, you're gonna get a reading of 5. Let me tell you, guys, you're gonna read of 5 ohms. So yeah, because I'm on 5 ohm resistor, so it's 4.7 ohms. So I just need a couple more to be a 5 ohms. So yeah, that's that right there. And I don't think we have any bad diode over here, or any bad MOSFET driver IC. So this one is the R100, so that says 1 ohm. So this one right here says, yeah, this one is good for R7. Right guys, so just go through this board a little. Since I don't make sure I don't have any solder bridge anywhere. Or bridge solder, some people would say, yeah. I used to say that too. Or solder bridge. Right. Done. So that's good right there. So I think this reads from the remote, guys. Right here we have this 4R7, the 58, the 59 R59 resistor. So let me see if it is the power. I know it comes alright. This is the power. Yeah, it's a power lead, guys. So from the power positive come right up here. So yeah, short it out. And this I think this goes straight down to one of the pin on this one. Alright, so go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pin of the switching IC here. 12 volts go to the 7 pin. From the power supply hook to right to this 4.7 ohm resistor, it goes right down to this IC right here. So yep, most of the time guys, you have a power supply issue, please replace this. Yep. Even if it's not bad, guy, replace it because you know it goes under a lot of stress if you have these burnt up like that, you know. So let's just see. Time for a bench test, I think. I don't know. Let's spend enough time on this, checking it. I'm gonna give it a little more 5 minutes more checking, guys. I don't want this video to be too long, guys, so I'm gonna pause it for now. Alright guys, so let's see now. I have the power hook up to it, so whew, moment of truth. I'm gonna pour it on. Let me see if I'm in good focus. Yeah, that should be showing routine and see if all goes well. Aha. Looks like we're good. Alright, fan is spinning, guys. You can hear that. You can see blue light is on. Switch it off. And then I'm gonna, alright, let me see how I'm gonna do this now. Yeah. First, yeah, YouTube, man, non-copyright stuff. But let me put this up first. This speaker right here. And then connect this speaker wire. Yes, guys. Speaker wire is being connected. Let me see if I'm recording. Ah, yes, I'm recording. All right. Yikes. So yes, guys. Oh, I was told not to touch these knob. The technician already set them for the guy system already, so I'm not gonna. Next thing I'm gonna have to be the one out there trying to, and I don't have time for that at this time to set them back for him. Which in maybe for me it's it's easy. Yeah, guys, I know it's a one is in and one is out here, but I now want to put two of the input jack here anyway. I know, you know, because it says left and right, so with this one it's yeah, both of them work. Let's go. Oh my words. My phone is turned off, guys, and I'm not gonna phone I use, bother to do. I'm gonna just use my finger to give you some test, a little test, guys. So, all right, let me pour it on and see. As you guys can see, light is on. So, you hear that, guys? So we're getting audio. All right, let me switch it off. So that's the way I can do it for now, guys. Because this phone is gonna take some time to come up. All right, guys, hold on. Let me pause this a while because I want to hear some. Okay, guys, I think I found one. Let's see. Let's do it. Alright, guys, just let you know, hear some audio. That's it. So yeah. So this repair was a successful repair, guys, as you guys can see. So please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and please, guys, like and subscribe. I know a lot of people don't, but you know, it will help me in the long run, helping you guys. So you know, help me, it help you, because I can get to give away stuff once I start maybe getting paid and stuff like that, which I'm not really in it for, but just let you guys know that would be a bonus for me for this extra work I'm putting out. But just guys, thank you guys for watching. Who watch and don't subscribe, I really appreciate you guys watching anyway. So just show you guys, you guys might have your reason why you don't subscribe, but that's how it goes. Life is what it is. But that's it, guys, for this repair. If you want to know anything, just ask me, guys, because I don't do this full time, guys. I do this part time for now, and normally I would want to do it full time someday, for real. Yeah, because here in Florida, this thing pays a lot, so yeah. Sometimes I don't have time to. Oh yeah, I'm gonna wash this board now. I don't have time to do a lot of stuff. I do installation too, guys, and I can't even make time to do installation because it's hard for me. My full-time job on this, so I only do these on the weekends or when my wife is off. I come and So right now I'm backed up. I still have a lot of stuff to do. The customers, they understand, because the amplifier I'm paying for them is not like some small amplifier, some big amplifier, so they know. But yes, guys, for now, that's it, guys, and it's the regular suspect, Taramps 3K. This guy, circuit view, right here. We are back view of it, right? This, guys, like this. And let me show the power supply MOSFET. Yeah, guys, yeah, as you guys can see there, lined up really good. So, guys, and I would say, guys, enough respect and thumbs up to you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe if you like what you see, guys, and see you on the next one. So, cardio out for now, guys. Alright, bye. Enough respect.